Okay, so first problem is fairly straightforward. You just add more vertices and then connect them all with these indices. This I mostly did most of the work on paper just to get the nice shape. That one's straightforward. You just edit those two. Oh, and make sure you keep these guys constant because you're adding more triangles and more vertices. These guys, and then the draw. Yeah. And then... So this guy was a little bit trickier, getting the image to work. This one was just annoying, because sometimes it's hard to tell. Either way. So, I just did the math for assigning the points, or the vertices of it. And the winding was a bit weird. I honestly had to draw that one out to figure out. But it's a fairly consistent pattern, so that's pretty easy. And then I have my numverts right here. And I made a radius for fun, but I'm not going to play with that. See, a little bit bigger than before. Now we'll drop it down to something where you could see that it's actually working. Or more clearly, I guess. See? Derpier circle. And then, I honestly completely forgot about these questions until like just a few minutes ago. Oh, and David mentioned it. So, this view, why it does this, this one's perspective. This is an issue with perspective. Because the triangle's still there, it's just the vast majority of the distance between these points is actually covered from them going away from the screen, which to a flattened out view makes them look tiny. Because this point right here is still in the same spot, but these two are actually really far away, which make them appear tiny. The other questions... Oh, fucking Christ. Okay, so I don't fully understand like what this question's asking. Like, there's tons of uses about rendering not only specific parts of the screen or rendering two different monitors entirely. There's just so much, especially with UI, mirrors, windows, anything like that. These, I don't know.